Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest products in the market. Today, we have a real gem to talk about, the best full-motion TV wall mount available. If you're looking to maximize your TV viewing experience and save space in your room, you've come to the right place. I'm your host, and in this video, we'll be diving deep into the full-motion TV monitor wall mount bracket by Pipashell. Now, let's get started with an overview of the Pipashell full-motion TV wall mount. This wall mount is designed to accommodate TVs ranging from 13 to 42 inches and can support up to 44 pounds. It's packed with features that make it stand out from the competition. First off, let's talk about the physical features of this wall mount. It's constructed with high-quality alloy steel, ensuring durability and sturdiness. The sleek black color will complement any room decor, and it's suitable for a wide range of TV brands, including Samsung, Sony, LG, and more. This wall mount offers excellent compatibility with VESA patterns ranging from 75 by 75 mm to 200 by 200 mm, making it versatile for various TV sizes. Whether you have a 13-inch monitor or a 42-inch TV, this mount has you covered. One of the standout features of this wall mount is its full motion capabilities. It can tilt from +9 degrees to -11 degrees, allowing you to reduce glare for the best viewing experience. Plus, it swivels up to 90 degrees, making it perfect for adjusting your TV's position based on where you're sitting. The 360 degrees rotation feature also allows you to switch between landscape and portrait orientation effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the installation process. This wall mount comes with step-by-step instructions and all the necessary hardware. What's great is that it's designed for single stud installation, simplifying the placement of your TV or monitor on the wall. Even better, the removable TV plate is tailored for single-person installation, so you won't need a helping hand. In summary, the Pipashell full-motion TV wall mount is a top-notch choice for anyone looking to enhance their TV viewing experience. With its compatibility, full-motion flexibility, and easy installation, it's hard to beat. Plus, the 5-year warranty shows the manufacturer's confidence in their product. That's a wrap for today's review of the best full-motion TV wall mount by Pipashell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this wall mount, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.